Hello, David Bradley here. Welcome to the pet room. All right, we have a little housekeeping to do here. On this drive that I changed the motor on, I also took out the screws that mount it. And I said, oh yeah, I have those screws. So I believe it would not be a bad thing to try to get these to go back in. And this, so far, has gone well on this front one so far. But, oh, and is this one going in? Well, it seems to be. Now the back one, it's funny because, when I do this, when I look at this, it did seem the drive was favoring itself towards the back. So it, you know what, I think I'm going to do a little more on this, which will hopefully pull the back end up in line. That one doesn't feel like I'm on. There we go. Now that does not look right. It just doesn't look right. It's sticking out on a funny angle. All right, get them secure. Lined up. I think there is a little give in this situation here. Now, of course, the drive seems to be missing one screw. Oh well. Now, I'm going to try and get a peek, kind of, sort of, at this. Alright, it may be that I have to loosen these off a bit, because it looks a little tight on the hole, and yeah, I do. But it's pretty well lined up. So a little loosening, and just a little wee bit of a pull. Ah, should get this. Nicely, oh, as I was just saying, nicely lined up, I think. And then we can tighten all of them. And at this moment, I could grab another screw that came out of the 4040 that had issues, but I don't think I will. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, they're all missing something, aren't they? Maybe I will give this. They all seem to have 3. Oh, this one seems a little off kilter. Maybe I will loosen all of these. Give that a little bit of a push and tighten them up. Anyway, the drive that I got from that mysterious place, it had very strange screws, very strange in the bottom. So I'm not gonna, you know what, 3 out of 4 is not bad. Not bad. So always a good thing to secure the drive mechanism before you kind of, like, I've done the documentation, etc. This is all good. I've got the one that isn't working over there, and now I'm going to head to the pool room and see what I can find. See what mysteries await there. So, I know this is a short one, but all right. So, yes, it's good to secure everything. And yes, at some point, I really do want to go to the hardware store and look for replacement screws for the tops of these drives. It's only 2 each. But, it would be horrible to say, oh yeah, I'll pick that up and have it pick out and then it open and drop and fall and, better to be secure. So, thanks for coming. I'm off to the pool room. Bye for now.